Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving straight into how to upload files to Monday.com, your complete guide for 2025. First things first, log into your Monday.com account. If you don't have one, take a moment to create one. The reason we do this is, of course, to ensure you have a secure and personalized workspace to manage your tasks and files. Now that you're in, locate and click on the board you want to upload your file to. This could be your personal board, a team project, or a company-wide board. Selecting the right board is crucial because it determines who can access and collaborate on your uploaded file. Next up, find the relevant task or update where you want your file to be. Let me explain why this matters. Monday.com organizes files under specific tasks or updates. This way, related files and discussions are bundled together, making it easier for everyone to find what they need. Once you've selected your task or update, look for the Add Files or Paperclip icon, usually found at the bottom of the task or update window. Click on it. This opens up the File Explorer on your device, allowing you to navigate to where your file is stored. After choosing the file you want to upload, click Open or Upload. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. Monday.com is securely transferring your file from your local device to its cloud servers. This ensures that your file is safely stored and accessible from anywhere, anytime. Wait for the upload to complete. You can monitor the progress from the status bar that appears. The time taken depends on your internet speed and the size of the file. Once your file is successfully uploaded, it appears as a clickable link within your selected task or update. The reason we do this is to make it simple and straightforward for you and your team to access the file right where the relevant discussions or tasks are happening. And there you have it. You've successfully uploaded a file to Monday.com. Remember, keeping your files organized and accessible is the key to successful collaboration and project management. Thank you for joining us on this quick guide. Keep exploring Monday.com for more features and stay tuned to our channel for more helpful tutorials.